about to learn the first 10 places of the binary system and how to calculate it. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and 512. Binary is written in ones and zeros. So let's say just add them all up. Ones means you add it, zero means it's nothing, and that's how you calculate it, and that's how things are written.
So I'm going to show you how to calculate the values using the 2 to the power of whatever number you're doing. So like this right here is 2 to the 0th power, which is going to be 1, and 2 to the first power, which is 2. Basically you're just multiplying that number, like 1 times 2, so like 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and then times 2 is 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and 512. And this right here is just a chart showing like it and the different values and stuff. So like the kilo, the mega, the giga, and the tera. So like this is what like storage is calculated with in like hard drives and stuff. For example, I have a thing right here. It's showing storage capacity, which is 4 gigabytes, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and 512 gigabytes. Which then there's also the terabytes, which is basically the same as, which is just more gigabytes. To be exact, 1 terabyte is 1024 gigabytes. But this right here is just a chart showing. This chart here is showing you like how much stuff you can store with that much data. So like 4 gigabytes you can store 1038 MP3 files. And then you notice like on most phones or tablets, maybe even SD cards, this is SD cards right here, that they use this capacity like thing. So that, yeah, so like 128, 512, 256. So yeah, they're calculated like this. So like if I go and look at my storage on mine is like 1.81 terabytes, which in real, like what it says on the hard drive, like the sticker actually has 2 terabytes, but that's just rounded up to like the closest thing. So this is basically just 1.81 terabytes. And like this right here is, so like this flash drive here, this connected, would technically be 16 gigabytes, but it's showing 14.5, but it's technically a 16 gigabyte flash drive. So like I have another slide here, like here's like these right here. So like a bit is a single binary digit of 1 or 0, and a byte is 8 of those bits, and a kilobyte is 1024 bytes. A megabyte is 1024 kilobytes, and then so on.